Welcome to my channel, How to Knot, and in this video I'll be showing you how to tie an overhand knot. This is an all-around great general usage knot and can be used for specific activities such as camping, sailing, and fishing. First, start by creating a loop, then insert the working end into the loop and tighten. This knot can be pulled over slightly to reduce the length of the working end. This is probably the most basic knot, where other knots are applied off the same principle. This is normally used as a stopper knot, but can also be used to add a little weight to the end of the rope, but not as much as compared to some other knot styles. Unfortunately, this can be difficult to untie when wet or when used on a small diameter rope. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.